Hi, I'm Quisley, and I'm the math specialist for the District of Albert Lea. I get the great opportunity of working with every child in the district. Mostly I work with the elementaries. What I do is I come in and I get to do lessons with your child. I get to observe your child. I get to have fabulous conversations with your child, all in the areas of math. You may be having the conversation right now with your teacher about what can I do at home with math? Well, I want you to know that I'm going to give you some tools. And they're nothing that's extravagant. In fact, the teacher that you're with right now probably has a deck of cards for you to take home. And I'm going to show you how this is one of the best tools. It's not the laptop. It's not the Chromebook. It's not the iPad. It's not the smartphone. It's a deck of cards and probably some dice. Why are these great tools? Well, these are great tools because it helps with the big things that we are the foundation in kindergarten. It's with counting. With counting, it's more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In fact, most kids just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Mom, Dad, Grandpa, Grandma, I can count to 10. And that is fabulous. However, there's more to counting than just that rote count. And we forget that sometimes. So what you can do with your child is say, have them use their fingers. They always have them with them. And say, how many is this? It's number recognition. So they can go 1, 2, 3. That they know that this symbol means the same as the digit 3. Having them practice that, having you write a digit and then they show you the quantity. Let me give you some more examples. So here's the number 3 or the digit 3. Having our child figure out how many ways we could make 3. And it doesn't matter the tools you have. You may have the fancy square tiles, or if you're my child, one of my daughters, you probably had pop bottle lids, or maybe even Legos. It doesn't matter what we count with. The important thing is we count and we have tools that we use. So how many ways could we make 3? Well, we could make it so it looks like this. We could make it so it looks like that. We could make it so it looks like that. We could make it so it looks like this. There's all kinds of different ways to make 3. And for your youngster, part of the developmental progression is knowing that this is 3, this is 3, and this is 3 is huge. So I talked about a deck of cards and how a deck of cards can help us. Well, taking that same idea of 3 and what 3 means, here is a perfect example. It's not a flashcard, but it's the perfect tool. We have the digit and we have the quantity. So students are learning that this digit, there we go, this digit and this quantity all mean 3, no matter if it's this way or this way or this way or whatever. So games you could play with a deck of cards. You've played them. You could play Go Fish. You could play Memory. There's all kinds of games you can play with kids. You could play the game Top It. The game Top It is where you divide the deck in half, and then with our kindergartners, we could play which is more or which is less. So if I have a 2 and a 6, and I want who has more, the person with the 6 would get both cards. This is a game that you might not do right away with your kindergarten child. You might wait and do this more around October, November. But right now, just getting them used to the digits and writing the digits. I'm Quisley. Your teacher is a great resource. I will also be able to handle all your calls or emails. So if you need something or you have a question, please get in touch with me. This is going to be a great year. We're so excited to have your child joining us here in Albert Lea. Thanks and have a great day.